Complete the sentences with the correct form of the word. Words: frustrate, terrify, disappoint. One sentence: you must have felt very frustrated when they didn't believe you. Explanation: we use frustrated to describe someone's emotional reaction. This is the past participle adjective used to express how the person feels. Two sentence: isn't it frustrating when you can't open the plastic packaging on something? Explanation: frustrating describes a situation that causes frustration. This is a present simple adjective used to describe the thing or event. Three sentence: speaking in public is terrifying for some people. Explanation: terrifying describes the experience speaking in public that causes fear. It's a present participle adjective. Four sentence: uh, Juan looked completely terrified when you asked him to hold your baby. Explanation: terrified describes Juan's emotional reaction. It is the past participle adjective showing his feeling. 5. I hope there isn't a storm tonight. The sound of thunder terrifies the children. Explanation. Explanation. Terrifies is the simple present verb used for a general truth or repeated action. The sound of thunder is singular subject, so the verb ends in z. 6. It was very disappointing that he didn't come. Explanation: disappointing describes the situation, not the person. It's the present participle adjective used for events that cause disappointment. 7. It always disappoints me when people behave like that. Explanation: disappoint is a simple present verb because the subject is it and the action is habitual. It needs z at the end for third personal singular. 8. Alan will be disappointed when he hears the football results. Explanation: disappointed shows Alan's feeling. This is the past participle adjective used to express a person's emotion. That's all. If you notice any mistake in my pronunciation, tell me in the comments.